Oh boy, welcome back, welcome back. Today is Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day to my special, wonderful Cynthia Reed. Yeah, big up yourself. A very good mother and a very good special person to me. Bless up yourself. God will always bless you and protect you. Um, Back to this new movie, people. Want to share it. If you not job, it's supposed to job Tuesday. Although today, we say today is Sunday because today is Sunday. But it's supposed to job Tuesday. If you don't job Tuesday, please bear in mind that I have a lot of things dealing with at the moment. I have to do some brain scan and some things because my head, I don't know if a sinus or something wrong within the ear coming down. But anyway, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. I don't want to do too much talking. Remember, I have summer giveaway. It's either back to school giveaway or it's cash. Any one of them, TV, anyone. Bye bye.
Mommy, where up on the road?
Why you come out of the yard?
No, so walk up and down.
Where your phone?
House, when
So why you
I
never call me and tell me say they come out on the road?
What no wrong him come out?
Eh?
No wrong him come out.
What you mean nothing wrong if you come out on the road? How old are you?
15.
Okay, you're responsible for yourself. Anyway, when last you see your uncle them?
I know. Long time no see them.
You see program we did I tell about? Me sign up feet and everything.
How you get you?
Me not go tell you that yet, you know, because I notice from this everything when me tell you, you go tell people and me don't want to neighbor them know me business. Me always tell you same time, me tell you nothing, you have to stop walk and tell people. Because people will hold on people. Take away your blessing and your destiny and me know that. Anything when me tell you, keep it to me and you, not to stranger. Not even your uncle them enough to tell.
Sis,
That
when you come back?
come back from where?
Sis, I think you say they're going to deal with something and spend
Me
a
go
couple days.
already. Me go already. Me go already.
So you come back so fast.
Me get through.
You want to wake away? When the same thing there?
Me wouldn't know. Then I'm gonna tell me who and who get through. Then just tell me about me. So you if you tell me if you get through, me get through.
Me not get no call and bro not get no call.
Then
So,
call me and
they
tell me,
call,
me get one email too.
so me can never turn it down, sis.
Why? You're
Like
not happy
share
for
with
me and your sister.
yeah, happy for your sis. Of course, me go happy for your sis, but
So what you mean? What you mean? What you mean? Me not understand what you mean. Say if three of we left go look about something. Maybe then just email me and make me know and say, well, me get through. Then soon call you.
sis,
And then soon call we next brother.
family work, make the dream work. The thing said then they call me and tell me say me alone and no call no me mother turn down that sis. So you really
Me
not turn.
can't turn it down. So you're not happy for me. Right now me get through. And me go away. And any money when me work for me, you and we next brother.
Generate with them, man.
How no rate you? Anything when me work for you all away right now, me have to go left your niece with you.
So, bro, what?
Yeah.
Left niece with who?
So your niece.
No. Me tell you this a must, bro. You go left niece with.
Why
First
not?
thing niece need be like, listen to me from morning. So how you get work on now, go on for we, and you gone, sis? What kind of style that?
No, me not like how you will stay. What kind of style that? The 3 we go. And then email me before you. That no mean say they not go call you. What kind of talking that you make like you're not glad for me? You're not happy for me?
Sis.
Remember say anything when you're asking for me again, you know?
Sis.
I me love you and my next brother. So me not understand this. And when me
Sis.
go work, you know you
Sis.
sis every minute. You talk make some bad mind talk. Me not like it.
Sis, and now see how you talk to. Sis,
My
I always
brother
want
will
to do
come
this.
out of my mother home, but me I say me not have no control over them emailing me first before Uno.
So sis, through you born first, you want go deal with your thing and left with your yard to suffer.
Yeah, like I said, this is on link thing. Who then call or who then choose to go on it? If you not get you one next time, the way you can try again.
Sis, you not push no energy for we sis. If you did tell them, see your two brother them want to work to because they don't want to suffer and do no crime and no violence. So you don't want the three we go up on the movie see. Sis, you don't know the style. Eh?
No man, no link na their embassy. No make nobody fool you. No link na their embassy.
Sis, you know say a fool let it over.
No, me not take it for no fool. Then me have links to tell people say, well, me two brother come
Alright,
and
sis,
them need to get through to.
But sis, you know say yo, happy for you, know. Happy for you, sis man. How are you, man? Me just realize what you said to me, you know. Know about your work, you know. Sis, me happy for you, man. How are you? Yo, sis, I get the work, sis.
No hug me up. Me not
Make
like how
sure
you're going.
you
Like you're
keep
not
for
happy for.
and sis, nobody foolish, man. Tell her what, me go up and see if Mr. Brown and tell him say you get your work, you know. You go a jigsaw room and happy for you. See it? Look, come on, this. Watch.
Can you hear me just
You know you ain't just saying your uncle.
uncle?
Are your uncle?
I'm going to. I'm trying to write so I'm
I
going
know
somewhere.
say your uncle too. Only because you not really grew up with them, but you know me show you them for a long time and your uncle not because I'm from your little years to them. You know remember them none all?
Wow.
I two brother me have. Me can't believe say you not happy for me. And the chat boy now go stay.
How about niece?
Um,
How about my sister? So I go on.
high five.
Huh?
Me get you.
So we get you too.
How me I gonna know that you get you?
No, then oh you get you, I mean I get you, I will sign up at the same time.
Me not understand. I know we alone go. Then they email me and some
No,
other
I
people me
like
they know
that,
so
man. I
no.
like that, sis. Remember, I know. The chair we go. The chair we get through the same time because the chair we live at the same address and the same place. So you could have done. Why you never do?
Why me never do? You too?
What
You
you
a
mean by
think you
you
see
do?
him?
What?
Nothing. Just tell me what you say. Everything good, man. Me I listen to you.
You said I did just turn it down.
Oh, me fi turn down something when me
No, you
need.
threaten them like say, yo, listen to me. If my brother them nah go, me nah go. And turn it down. They have to take me.
Really? In this separation here, you're mad? God forbid, I would have never do that or say that out of my mouth.
But you
You
can't,
crazy?
you can't leave here.
Hold on there. I plan you and we next brother plan to come to me with this in case
No,
me get you or if me get you, where they talk about. Can me really get
no,
you?
me never.
I mean, I understand where they, me get you fit you.
No,
A
never
real
plan with
talk.
him. But me, I look on you and I say, I understand this, Nisi. When she know pack up and go and left you, yeah. Separation, I go kill
She
me.
a go stay with you and with next brother. I mean, I need uno to worry about nothing because uno.
Listen, me, sis.
And
Girl picking me no want them turn with me. Me want free like a bird. Me want to go about my business. Me no want to be a babysit like me, no
so you
babysitter.
come down? No, wait, the whole on there. Then say 7 brothers, 7 different mind. But this a 3 away, you know, we mother have, you know. And you come like I said, 2 different from one. Me not understand you. So through the 3 away go. We go start out this program thing for the farm work. Look here. And then email me and tell me say me get through. Through they no call uno yet. That means say uno no want me figure me should have turn it down for
You
me.
better just make me go. Or you just stay with the picture.
Me no like them corruption talk the way I make. A bad mind talk them they should have happy for me as a sister. Because any money when me work, I know say me nah left for no out. Me go help on the same way.
Sis, we know that anytime you go up on that the plane there, you buck a white man, you run off gone. We not see again, you know that. We see that with Auntie Joy. Auntie Joy left him poor man here. And God and the man not even know how Auntie Joy number or anything over there.
Everybody is not the same.
You see that?
Why the whole of we are suffer so in a real life until we get so big, although me a bigger one. Me a the older one, me older than Uno. And Uno get so big and the whole of we are one. Brother and sister and two me get you gonna friend me figure about Uno. Anyway, me I go me never throw a stone behind me yet. You see you?
Make me take it off and stand out with you.
So oh, I go stay with her. And me have to go away.
Me go.
Oh me I go are you name in the system so you get you? Me not understand you.
Me not put on a wig.
Oh me I go stay with you and me have to go away.
We look alike, you know, but I just put on a wig and makeup and go. And stuff up and go. Come on, the opportunity. You know that we have suffered too long now.
But with the fish talking, you know. What kind of wig and makeup and sitting? Better you talk about oxtail and curry goat. Me not in something there. Because sometimes I don't like eat fish. Some fish they don't taste good, then kind of dry, especially bonita. No bother with it. If you're not talking nothing will make sense, no bother with it right here. So you should have happy for me. You a fall person.
No, me happy.
Me happy. Look here,
me happy, but the part of me I try to show you shouldn't leave us here. We plan together.
I left you know. And now come back down tall.
When the chair we did they go there, what we say?
No, you want me to look like me now go come back down tall.
When we did they go, the chair we say, anyone now we get to, we are going to turn it down. The chair we have to get to.
Me never tell you that you're too like I must dream the dream and you hear me tell you that in your dream. And if me ever the dream I hear myself I tell you that. The foolishness there for me and suffer so long.
Brother, yes,
me had that box myself. Ask me no question, then you see me ask him and talk to him because he come like he don't have a plan against me and getting through. Like you not happy for me. You not glad for me. Me not like what you say, man.
Alright, me watch it daughter.
And look what you talk about in front of your niece.
Me watch
her. Brother, you know. Brother and sister, you know.
No, alright, me watch her.
Me and you our brother
and sister.
Okay.
$300
and sister. And look what you do.
But you know you have to send $350 a week.
I not even start work it, I mean I know how much of my wages and area come down. Go on, it's alright, everything good, man. If you can't stay with her,
no, me will stay with her because I'm a niece. But
me only get the email say me they go. Me not even know flight date we not do. We have to go do orientation. We have to go do all kind of things. We have to go do medical and 1% thing and pay how much money for whatever. And here you go on.
You pick up. You do your own thing. Yeah. Your own thing.
Jesus Christ. You hear how your uncle them behave?
That ain't Badmind.
Jesus Christ. Father God come down and deliver me. You know say we have suffer a long time and you know me not go forget my brother them and you hear how them come. So who me I go left you with? Oh, you're a girl child. At least me could have trust them say are your uncle and leave you with them. Me figure left you with man we a stranger and sitting. Yeah, look here man, you know what? Come on. Let me see I wish for me sitting the way me did have in. Me not people bother want it. Come on, me I go down here road. Oh, my phone there.
Hey, look for me.
Me left my phone.
Anyways, mom, I'm not thinking I should go nowhere.
You see my phone in the house?
Yeah, me see it at charge.
Alright, make it stay. What you say?
I'm not thinking I should go nowhere.
Eh?
I'm not thinking I should go nowhere.
Come here. Me know say me bring no idiot for the earth. Stay right here, so. What you just say, girl? What you say? Let me turn up. What you say? You not think me should have gone nowhere? Jesus Christ, I hope you didn't They want you turn good for nothing, but you will never turn good for nothing.
Hey, brother, I'm going, and if you're gone, who you left me with?
Me will find somebody fit with you. If them, look here, I just chat them and chat. Then I fit with you. If they don't stay with you, if you not get to stay with them, I will pay somebody sending money from overseas so you stay with them. Then I kill the blood of Jesus against kill. You have to come to something good in your life. Me I go work and make you all go to college and sit in me, baby. No worry. Aye.
This one idea.
You know, do me nothing, no, me just don't like how me don't like how now go on as my family.
Chat me with my niece.
How chat you?
Me come around the sun here, brother.
Brother, what me say about you now? Anything when me I tell you, me tell you straight up, I don't know.
This say you try to hold way down in life, you know. Because first
right.
round move make, you know. I take
the
you work.
only thing me just say about you know, if they don't want to stay with you or you don't want to stay with them, when me go overseas, me send money to somebody when me I go make you stay with them and pay them. You hear me say nothing about them? I saw you never stay no like family in a peace, no one tell them love war.
Pick up here. She soon gonna left you. And me, I have a thinking about you. So make sure.
What you telling me? Say me not like what you do.
Make sure, brother, have a thinking about you. That you come pick up here where they go left you? You think so she like you?
Here we are.
She can't like you and I go go.
When they tell your mother say,
Left the island, left you.
You know your mother not like me.
You know, sister, she know no family love.
thank God she big and have sense.
You know, sister,
So
she
she
know no
knows
family
that
love.
pure foolishness that they try to pack up in her head, but she know you there. Thank God.
I'm right. Sure, we go look.
You're
work.
wrong.
Before we go look work, we sit down in our house and we were talking. If one not get in and we not take it.
But she can go and she get money and
She
send
betray
us
away.
some.
She betray away.
Me no Judas, don't do it.
That's why my sister.
Me no know nobody
No,
at
you right
embassy.
now.
Then just choose me and me get the chance so me go
Yo,
take it.
last night God give me a dream, you know. And so my sister try to poison with 2 times, you know. Me not tell brother yet, you know. Me not tell brother yet. Sis, I can't believe how so wicked I be.
Blood of Jesus against that they dream.
You
There.
can't
I
believe
will
that's how wicked
never
they be.
ever have that they thought in
So
my head.
sis.
If you do uno as my brother, them the kind of nastiness and wickedness there. What kind of thoughts that you have
You
against me?
think cousin
As
tell me
a
what I want?
sister.
You think cousin see me down here and I tell me what I want? Where you get money for the year? My money, my grandfather send for 3 hours split up. You take that go the
Christ.
year alone and buy Crocs.
You know when me get the money for do
Thing
me
good,
here.
sis.
You know how hard me walk and wash the people them dirty clothes to wash. If you wash my head and buy the bread and pay the address. Me not even, you know how me not follow up this a
He's a
foolishness. Yeah.
wicked piece of girl. Yo, he's a witch.
Why you call sister so?
You see you're blind. You come like cataract over your eye, you know. You come like cataract over your eye. You know, see clearly what she apply for do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
me tell you
clear.
this, sis. Me tell you this, sis. Me want to turn up too close. Like I mean, say I pay science here working. I pay science me say I working, sis. I can't believe Momo grow is so good, you know. You the work science, you hold we down and further like your future. Sis, you really do that? Hmm? You set me for born craving it every day. Me dream me last night. With that auntie tell me everything. That me make you
Oh
know.
Jesus.
So go and see me.
So you dream everything where you just say
Come
yourself.
out, come sorry, so me come over
And
here.
the dream where you make up at you.
Dream of me make up.
Ah.
You ever hear say human being make up dream?
Okay, know yourself. The animal them do it though.
Sis, you see life where you think say I go shine before through like your lip. Suck it off. So earth I go suck in. We don't really know me but come back up here.
You hear him? Again? Me no know what kind of corruption he have against me as his sister. But everything when just chat ya so. God, live it. The God when me serve no say a line they tell. He just want me to feel bad. Actually, me no want cuss him cause my brother. Me just a go and take away myself and ignore some of what I say. Because you say if me fi answer him, but I tell him little while time woman I witch, but me no bother cause me no want to reach so far and my brother still. You understand? So me just forgive him, but me not go forget what he tell me. So no worry, I said me baby. Anyway, if I them a influence you, if you come tell me and try tell me say me no figure, just listen when them a say cause you're not deaf. And I know you will mention it to me as your mother, but me not go do what you say. Me want our life to better and me go help them too. Although them are my brother and they treat me so and they go on like me at this and me at that and how me hold them down and want to sitting as God live at me and then clean. I will never do my family them anything. Me more to help them. Anyway, go on in your house and tidy up your place.
Mommy, tell
Now
her
sit down
about
right
bed.
eh?
I forgot pray for them.
Me always pray. If me name the pray, come like a them words that keep me down so. But I shall rise in the name of Jesus and you shall be a prosperous and a successful person. Come. Prosperous and a successful person in the name of Jesus. Because you have to go to college. Me I go work my money. If me turn to Jamaica, say them my brother here and suffer and struggle with them your money where them a pay me when me I work. This a government we can chat about say wages are how much and you go put $1,000 me. Would I never build a house and you'd never reach a college? Me have to go overseas, go work and come back. Me no want to live a foreign. Me just want to go make my life easier and better. And me go help them, you know. And them a go sorry say every word where they say to me out of their mouth. Them a go sorry say they tell me so. But everything good, man. Me not stop pray. Me not stop. Everything good.
Why emergency call now?
Why just me and a choke? Why you just badging on my place so? Me tell her if you tidy the place and man, she not even tidy it up yet. How what happen? Well, I will not take this thing too often. They do it every time. Every time I not take it. Like, you know, I know nothing if you no walking. Suppose me did naked. Me and your brother, you know, you know my man, you know.
So when you know I'm naked there, so?
And my daughter. And me push her out. I mean, care her for 9 months. I mean, nobody we do not talking again, you know, because I'm tired of it, you know, I say some things in front of her, and I want to niece and my daughter, and I want to respect her. If you know, say she just 15-year-old, I want to act some kind of way, I mean, I want she have them bad mind in her. So please, if I know nothing good you come to me about, you can go on. And next time I talk to you.
You bad mind, no matter.
Me never said that. Me say me not like the bad mind talking them on make.
Me I make bad
And the
mind talk.
corruption. Yeah.
No, sister, not that. Come on, man. You're not looking for the brighter side. Suppose they kidnap you when you go.
There are some people them we travel much a year from way war. Eh?
Suppose they take out your lungs.
Yeah, you say not none of them. Take out what?
Suppose they take out your heart and your kidney and your liver.
God will never make that happen. You
Don't-
hear what you think?
Don't go.
Why you want if it up Marwa?
Don't. Hey, listen.
Why you trying to go?
Because you want to lose your mother.
No.
Oh,
You
what?
shall make money.
Not money. So she rather money than her life. Eh?
So if you poor, she don't want poor.
You better live poor than die rich. Than die poor, I mean. You better live poor than die poor. Can't you go when you die? Me miss you. I mean, you know what I love you. I want to take you serious.
Love who? Let's say that's a while.
I love my sister. I don't want to miss my sister. I don't want to go over there. I have to start ball. That's why I don't get no picnic or picnic a handbag.
You know when me go over there, you start ball.
Yes.
So when me go over there, you go ball.
Yes.
So now you get figure and me gone.
No, not really that way there.
Where you go ball about?
I'm going to ball about and I'm going to miss my sister and I'm going to take her away and I'm going to sell her kid.
Me when I fight against the two of you. Me. The two of you just got some corruption thing. All of a sudden we used to live good. As brother
You
and
know,
sister.
say from me and my brother go look about certain
Everything
things.
like that,
You don't
brother.
see-
Everybody knows say your brother. Just said dirty Steve and dirty Popeye. The two of them, I don't like how you stay on and agree me for a long time.
So that's how you come down.
Yes, because you're too wicked and you're not too corrupt, man. Why you don't want me to go? And you can't help me.
You're female, we're man. We can do them the work they can't manage, them the work they can't pick up.
You not even know what me put on the farm when me a fill out to say me want to do. And that the vacancy they have it. So me choose. Me choose that the vacancy there. Who to tell if I know what I choose for me, they no pick no yet.
We choose.
Me not say they not go call you know, act like they not.
pick apple. How will you choose?
But maybe they have as much people to pick up.
So what you choose?
Me pick concierge
Why you never
and front decks.
why you
I
never
got me put
why you
on.
never make us pick that too?
You hear?
So we could have done the same place and work.
Everybody have their choice. Me none of we need
Boy.
side on side when we
Yeah,
have
me
fill
I
out the
said
farm.
you say no. You see your mother, you better ball to her every day. Don't make she go, you know. Don't make she go. Cause if you make she go, dog, me have your supper. You see how she eat the bully beef? Yeah, bully beef
Me
and
don't
bread.
have no bully beef. Me I eat corned beef. Take for yourself. Me don't have bull. What? Look at. You want it? Yeah.
Look at, yeah, laugh.
You want what me and you?
Remember say no,
Me say you want. You want what me
Remember
and
say she a
eat?
go left in and I mean she a left in.
You want what me and eat? You want it?
Oh.
Cause come like you're hungry, make you come on me yard. Don't stop bother me. What you want?
I'm not hungry.
What you want?
Me just come because they say you call me. So me
Me
just,
call you fit make. Wanna stop from talk about me catch Badmind pound and me they walk up me and me they this and me a witch and one for something. What kind of plan that you and Steve have?
you have to understand. Alright. It look bad. If you say me and you, a sister and we have one. We are brother and sister then. Right? And you out of the whole flock get through before we. It's bad because we are the younger one. The younger one shall get through in life before the older one because the older one, they on retirement road.
Go take up your egg and the bread care come give me. See them pan this way. I'm saying you're hungry. Share for you and Steve. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. If I something you come beg, you should have tell me long time.
Yeah.
My name Ash. Let me see. Wait. No, you can't give the whole light and then you not no breakfast in the morning. You're mad.
Take one slice of bread.
Sit down. Sit down. Now talk to them like say no manners. Don't follow them. Hold on there. See there. Give Steve 3 egg and you take 3. Give him half of this, brother. And you take half. Me have bread in my
Steve,
kitchen.
not have to know, say you give me bread and egg.
This is for your breakfast and morning. Go and go put it back. Me buy one next bread when that the bread they done in my kitchen.
Listen, man, this is a bit.
One no, nobody tell me nothing
Steve
else.
don't
I'm
need
tired
to
of
know
you.
about this.
What?
Steve don't need to know about you giving me no egg and no bread.
Why?
Steve don't like you. Steve a bun bad lamb for you. Let me talk right now. As Steve push me, he come cuss you. Him a bun bad lamb for you. But me
You
not
sure
like
say I know you push Steve to go in an argument with me?
I like 2 hours still. 2 hours
Right.
flying because we know why you fly.
So Steve don't like me, you like me. And that you try to say.
We don't hate you. We
But
just
why?
want-
Let me tell you something.
No,
you
we
and
love-
Steve are my brother. I'm not take no talk from you about my next brother. So
No.
your corruption, them when in you can go on in your yard now. So you get some feed. Go on now.
We love you.
Me want to spread up your bed. I want to clean up the place. When you and my brother and you can't beef in a piece. Leave me alone.
We love you.
Go, me no
You
want
need to
no,
understand
food no
it.
love can skate. Cause that ain't no love. Food no love can tan.
We love
That
you.
is no love at all.
Don't go on the plane no crash.
Blood of
And-
Jesus against you and your
drop in
stupid
that
thought them
water.
in your dirty stinking mouth.
We don't.
I mean, you look like to me and ask her food no. You see me and cool and calm. Don't worry yourself.
Don't go on the
You
plane.
hear where the plan?
The plane don't last and drop in the water and then can't
The
go
plane
find
will
it.
never crash. It shall fly through God cloud in a peace and land in peace. You're wicked.
I don't know why I clothes. I feel a rock stone up there.
Make it stay in there. Make me drop in a road. Nothing and do me. Go on where you go. You're not too bad mind.
I'm bird that fly up there. Bird
Make it fly. God make them fly in our ear. What I'm to no leave me alone, man. And me tell them if you no go no the white paper embassy and go no green. And me call say go on now go. Jan Steve, now come back at me yard until you not have something positive to tell me. You're corrupt now. Go on where you go, man. And tell Steve to not deal with me. Anyway, me go leave tomorrow. Then send back one next email come give me. Say tomorrow my flight date. You know me love you, my baby. You know say me love you, man. I go
I
always
don't want
remember
you
you.
go. Like we're too idiot them.
Me know. But guess what? Forgive them for what they say out of their mouth against your mother. You hear? And yes, when you get big, if you got spare your life, if you can't help them, you help them. They go there all and walk with thick. Them the time they can't say they won't need your help. So you see all the negativity they were in their head. Don't even listen. You hear, you know? But no care them go nor care them come. The most sorry say they won't tell your mother all.
Yes, yes. Happy for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I turn off my phone.
Yeah.
I don't want to no get
We
nothing
gonna
missing.
party tonight. It's a send off night. We gonna party.
We love we
Come up
sister
here, so
to
I'm
the
not seeing it in your
start and
face.
the end.
Yeah. My sister is going on the plane. Who big like my sister? My sister is flying out. Yeah. My sister is flying out. So we. Yeah.
Sis, you're not a couple here.
We can't.
You see me?
Sis.
I'm a tabo.
You see me?
Huh?
You see me?
Yeah.
You sure say you see me?
Of course.
I will invite you over your son. Me call you and tell you on the phone say me flight date tomorrow. Wanna
Yeah,
come
that's-
with cake and champagne? What is?
So you can left come for tell us, sis.
No, me not celebrate nothing with nobody who not like me. Me not tell no lie.
We tell so we don't like you. No, sorry, be serious.
Sis, we really like you. We are talking about
We
people
love
we
you.
like with the things for
We
family
love you.
work.
We just don't like how you do things more wild.
Sis, pull it. Coffee celebration. Pull it.
Send off. We're going to drink you whole the bottle and you're going to
Sis.
eat cakes.
Don't take.
Alright.
We'll bring cake for you. Why you trying to chat for?
No. Masa mom taking.
Sis, sit down.
Sit, man. You're a celebration, you know.
Sis,
You have
bro, this is growing face, bro.
you have to the Iron Bird. I'm proud of you.
Sis, if we iron bird a car with the pan road and sitting at. Pull the next side.
You don't think me an idiot? You don't think me an idiot? So a man think it's so easy. Steve first tell me how me a witch and me walk up the pound and the whole on the down. I said, no care cake and champagne come give me 2 years and me a go.
Sis,
Alright.
sis,
Guess what? Pull it.
sis, open up.
Yeah, man, just
Sis,
open
it's a
it.
celebration.
We are celebrate. Open it for me. Me a
You
drink
can't
it.
leave the island without
Me
a
no,
cold
man.
heart,
Just
sis.
pull it for
Pull
me
it,
now.
man. You know, you sit and
Pull it.
pull it. No, you spin out this stuff. Well,
Well sealed, sis. Well sealed.
Yeah. Your favorite.
You have a feeling in here?
Mm.
Feel it.
Well solid.
Grill up.
Poppy up in the air. What am I do?
Sis. Watch out.
What you do?
Sis, you see it?
Just open it. Me I go drink it.
Yeah.
What about sis?
Good celebration.
You first taste it. Then me drink after.
Sis, you don't believe in your brother?
Once somebody me believe in a God.
Sis.
Family?
Sis.
Me rather stranger.
Sis.
I'm not too wicked.
You happy for you, sis?
Since as nothing no happen to this champagne, you first drink it and then you. Throw some in a cup and drink it.
I'll get a cup.
Me will drink it after.
Get a cup, show you what I go.
So okay. What?
Me never go fill a cup in the kitchen. Must say that's how we do it in the yard, man.
Drink it. Let me throw in the feel.
Sis.
Drink it.
Sis.
Drink it off. Polite. Let me feel your throat. Open your mouth.
Sis, me throat a breathe easy. Sis, what you talking about?
You, drink it.
Happy we happy for you, sis.
What? You don't know where Steve do? What?
Huh?
What you say?
I'm sorry.
You don't know what Steve do with it? What? Drink it. Drink it. If
Yeah,
you
bro,
think
bro.
If you not think you're not gonna stop me from go on the plane there, allow me to tell, drink it.
Bro.
Drink it. Hold it.
Sis, I feel your thing,
Yeah, me
sis.
soon drink some. Hold it.
Nice.
And I mind this too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Could I ask that?
Hold this, my baby.
Okay.
You don't want none to eat. Your belly full already. Give me this.
Yeah.
Sis,
we
you
got
go far.
Near me. Take it out and eat it. Take it. Take piece and eat it. You eat it.
Sis, I YouTube we buy this a cake from me now.
Anything you want to do to the cake and the champagne to stop me from go up on the plane,
Sis, no.
make it happen to me.
No, I eat.
God, you can't do God people them nothing so easy. Take it and near me. Near me.
Eat the cake, bro.
Eat it. You see why you don't want to eat it? When you drink the champagne, warn me if you are forced to eat the cake.
Eat the cake, bro.
Put it down because you don't want it.
Eat sweet, you don't know that.
Okay. So put it down.
No, but you just
You
have
don't
to
eat
bro,
sweet,
just-
you name sweet. Put it down. Put it down.
No.
You see it? Something wrong with the cake. Nothing to do the champagne. Me no see no belly a quarter no yet. That means say the champagne may be good, but something wrong with the cake. Nobody no want eat the cake. What you whisper behind me for?
Say me crave me name and puff.
God angel cover me and my child. Anything we do behind me, me
Look,
listen.
sis, look.
Open your mouth. Open your seat then you want vomit. Come out of my place. Take uno look here, no me cuss my door dinner. Take this! Yeah man, no sit now. Who no sitting for you to go on? Go on in the champagne. Me no want nothing to drink. Go on! Blood of Jesus against you. And the blood of Jesus against you. It one a wicked and no evil. If you say me a brother.
Bro, say a fool, bro.
Yeah, me eat it.
You eat it.
Yeah.
See how you
Bad
cake, sis,
nation.
we are talking about.
Me eat it, man. Me eat it. Nice.
Nice. Me no want none. Me name beg no cake and no champagne. Me do hungry. No go and go near me.
No,
Sis.
prank you.
It was
Franco.
a joke, sis.
Franco.
I want to.
I won't go say go prank for no mama, but to we I see a mother, me nah bother.
Frank with mama. Sis, say that. Say that, sis.
Me nah go say it. And I'm afraid, me afraid that
fly
uno make me
tomorrow.
nah say that two we are the same mother. But if we are in the same pan different mama, no see that today. Go on do no
No,
cake and
safe
champagne.
flight. Safe flight tomorrow. We'll stay
No
there.
thank
We'll
you.
stay
Go
there.
on.
Safe
Me
flight.
alright in Jesus' name. Go on do no cake and no champagne. Me no hungry.
You know watch news?
Me no want watch no news as long as I no CNN.
Sis.
Nah NCB.
Can you say airport of Kingston them by me?
Eat it, sir.
Me want watch NCB and NBC. Them the news there.
Sis.
NNNY. Me want watch the news there.
You say a cheap plane and put bump on.
I want bother. I me put it on it.
Sis, we don't want nothing there, no?
Me look like me come from Iraq or Baghdad.
Sis, a joke,
Yeah,
man.
Jamaican.
Where you came back for?
A joke can make.
A joke, where make
Me
sis?
wait-
You see what
No,
you
listen,
say,
no,
no matter
no,
what
listen.
you do,
No joke with your sister again.
No, look here. Look here. Take no cake. I want no icing. I want no champagne and leave my place. Me alright. Me alright in Jesus' name. Me I go leave her with somebody else and send money come here.
No.
And me we still yeah man, no drink because no hungry.
Right.
Go on, you no can friend me up with food. Nobody can catch me with food. Do we wanna do me? Do we wanna cuss me and tell me how me this and me that? They wanna carry food, come give me for eat. Me not joke with my belly.
See now you know.
Me no want nothing for me and me hungry. Me hungry make me keep it to myself and me never call you and tell you say me hungry. That is it. See them man call me, come out. Me no want to know hear when me talk on the phone. Go on. No, go on. Me have no brother and sister and me will still help you and send money come go no, but me no have nothing to do with you. No. Me no want no one sit from you. Go on which part you now go. None of them from them. You hear me tell you? I make done call the lady already and tell her say you go come stay with her. Me will send money if you come take care of you. Make them go on to them and go there. Evil. What you tell me say? Oh no class me wicked and me this and me that and me a obey this and obey that and me a witch and me finian from no. Come here idiot. Go on now go. Come here me.
Awesome. You know what time?
You know, say look like me left my phone and I do about. Can't see it, say about 2 1 now.
No, say, uncle them wicked.
For your uncle them? We do what?
Cheat my body. Is there actually time I'm not on the phone? They make me go up and down, shop, sweep, yard.
So, what them do? Take away your phone?
Yeah. Now be a sleep, me have to sleep, but then they want something, them send me go a shop. Like then I have food.
So, where are the on the road?
Go. Good on this one.
You're not supposed to feel the on the road at my time.
No.
The young little girl need to find a yard.
So me a talk about?
What happened?
Say what me a talk about?
No, because it's all time.
I want in the moment game mother and you see it red and me come catch a right so right now. You know, me tell the road with man. With man. With your little size.
Are your father? Are your
uncle? See?
Look on your little size. Are you turn up a with my little niece?
No, I time him ask father.
Kind of boy you want? Why drink rum and craving here?
I can't ask him any time.
Ask which time? Time now per yard. Skelly and out there.
You take my phone. Something right time.
Skelly and out there. Me say if Skelly and not up there.
Where's Kellyan?
Skelly and time in the kitchen.
And I'm come back with you.
Where you want no time, boy? You go on a date. Where you want no time for? Me niece, where you want no time for me niece? Your mother want wicked woman too, you know? I never know say your mother want wicked woman. Eh? You know which time I call the girl and things if you send one cup of cheese so I can help the parent I shop on me a deal with all this.
You don't deserve nothing.
You don't deserve nothing.
Call me cheat, my bad.
Go on up in the yard. You don't deserve nothing. Go on up in the yard. Broke you up down and say here.
Take time with our father.
Take time with who, boy? Think you rum this way I drink you out.
So, I mean, you come to start for me. You think I niece this?
What you doing with my niece man road you out?
How did that boy, man?
I don't even know say mother left me in our hand.
You know we are chat to.
Badmind say a push. Badmind say a push.
No bad up your niece, no bad up me.
Thing good, here, I go back here again. And you
No, no, wrong with them, man. Man, I'm finding a job, man. Just carry it to mom, come down.
No, man. No, man.
Just Christ. One more again.
One more what?
What's a salt?
One more what? Let me ask you a question. To your mother pack up and gone, foreign gone work. You feel like you can all over the place. Eh?
I don't understand my shop. You can't come back to another food. See, yeah, walk. Why you could come buy something?
Listen me, I send you a shop to go to church, right? Because your mother no want to send no money, want everything just start work. We no business, but no just start work. You reach, you have to send the money. Right? Me never put up for watch you that much, you know. So you see when you're in the house, you must stay in the house. If you send a wash up, what you say, you get to, you go to your yard. So what you do, yes, so?
I'm saying I go to shop, so I'm going to come buy something.
Where there? You get it from shopping?
What's the number?
You know,
No.
we see, that's why we tell them mother no go pan the end, man. Do not go pan the trip. Don't take your work. Cause me and my brother go at the place. Right up. We decide say if one no get through, none of we not go. If two get through, the other one not
But
go.
still can't help you.
Listen to me.
Send them money.
I don't care what you want to say. As me say again, I'm going to say it again. You see, once and me, your mother gone left to watch you. You go and clean, you go and rake your yard, you go and cook. Come in and cook for you.
So now hand too.
Let me ask you
Now
a
let me just
question.
try for cook.
Me and you what?
My uncle.
What uncle mean?
Uncle mean, you for kick, give me, cook, give me.
No.
My little post, me go burn up your house. Then I have to sleep at door.
I found the
I'm
house.
wrong.
You burn it
So
down.
you go see.
Oh, me have my own yard. So if you want burn it down, you burn it
Every
down.
day I go to mommy house, your sister house.
Where else a while ago?
Right. So now-
You know what she have me? Dollars. We out test a box food out of hog mouth. You understand? No say a bad man, my sister. You know. I jealous of my sister.
Badmind.
So you want to say me and my brother bad mind your mother? If we did bad mind your mother, you think would that make your mother go foreign? And lucky, never eat that cake there. If you
See?
eat that cake then he fly to that miss him. I told me no like I eat that ganga swallow a piece of it and couldn't wake in the morning. You lucky. Yeah? Anyway, go on up. Me left the back part of the bread and the front part of the bread. Just wipe it with 2 butter and eat it with little sugar and water.
Hey, really?
What?
Come with your mom, come.
What you know what you pick me out there, not to want to get, not to want to see the back of the bread. You're lucky I see back and front part of the bread. Could you?
You again.
Yes, me again. What's your problem?
And this time, one time I ask her for, can get on job, please. For money, me not eat.
So I'm to your parents, him.
Them not feed me.
Where your uncle they did that body up for
Them
you?
not feed me. All thing they go for work, but out.
You know, say me believe say I lie though.
Why would I lie?
How you mean them not feed you?
They not feed me. Some maga. You want thick.
But your uncle not fat. Look like you whole on no maga.
Me still up a chat about you.
I saw me want salt.
Let me tell you, say, you like this a company?
Jesus Christ.
Eh?
My company will become big.
Beg what?
Can you not feed me?
And the food up a yard, me see how much fly and Maggie Gina little while. You just eat out one little piece.
Who?
Them boy you know like mackerel every minute.
One of you feed on your family.
Feed which family? You to waste so girl me waste money every day, you know. And him mother not send me no money in a youth,
Right.
which is my sister and brother. Here, me tell you this. You see next time I see you on the road with her too, you're going to have a problem, come I go report you. Cause muscle can't look at her or something. Every minute she a pass, you tap her.
So you want bad?
You like you not learn.
Jesus Christ.
Every day you ban it by your head. One head. One head.
I know I'm hungry. No! I'm hungry.
One year dear me hard. Say your name and say run out back out to your body. Straight like a one pole. Go up, sir! You, me tell you this, you. Brother, me ain't no friend, you know. Me ain't no company.
Glad you
you
know me ain't no friend.
You, stop my family when I see him on the road.
You know if you feel no family youth.
Stop my family when I see him on the road.
Don't
Here.
come too close to me.
You know
no
what
bad
going
man.
up a yard? Eh?
Take care of the family them.
You know how much money we spend on she. His sister for give back all of them when he come back and they say I'm my next brother. Every day I'm gone with woman, you know. Here. And I him since left in charge. Like I'm tell you, since I'm not look about him, you know. Everything good. Youth.
You
See
go
my
on.
family.
You hold on no maga like.
Youth.
I couldn't suffer.
Let me see you. I'm my family again. Here we see boy. Here. You don't know me, you know.
You don't know me either.
You don't know a fool mother grew me.
Like Kelly Kid. Where you come from?
No, ask me nothing.
Where you come
I'm
from?
hungry. If I'm man, you gonna check woman.
Me no make come pot of soup last night and me tell you say warm up it. Me say warm
You
up
better not
it.
drink it off and give me none.
Who?
No, you better.
Me and my brother drink coffee. You know what me do with the pot of soup a while ago? I dash it away in the rubbish heap. Because I realize it at 2 o'clock now. So me dash it in the rubbish heap because heat take it, it spoil. I tell you to do something this morning, I didn't do it. Look on the yard. That's why I tell my sister say no.
I van.
Am my yard? Or your mother yard? Which one? My yard or your mother yard?
Mother yard.
Anything what belongs to your mother belongs to you. Until your mother dead, it belongs to me. You understand? It's not my yard. You understand?
Where you eat? I'm hungry.
You go mix sugar and water. Unfortunately, I think you on the bread yesterday. You go mix sugar and water, yeah? That's all we can help you with. A matter of fact, go buy one bottle of ketchup.
So me I do with ketchup.
Huh?
Me I do with the ketchup. Yummy.
No, you go back around and say that rubbish sheep, you take out the dumpling and you rinse them off and you fry them and just eat with the ketchup.
Me not do that.
You're not hungry then. Go on in. You're not hungry. You're not hungry.
Right, man.
Go back and check my catty them, yeah, man.
So that good for.
That's when you're hot, man.
You get a call.
Little girl, I say, ask you call. You know, manners.
Hello, whatever.
Anyway, we are call.
Madam.
Make sure I know, man, you know, put in a code.
Mommy. No, I'm okay with I say iPhone you have enough credit.
I style my phone.
But I don't have credit.
Oh, you really there? Give me phone. Bright.
How are you this? No, man, I couldn't.
Again?
Are you this? On the road?
Mommy.
Look at girl, what me just left you.
I know me.
And are you? What me tell you, I go down and shop, what do?
They want ketchup.
Eh. So what you had up on the road? When big man at that?
I can't beg him to call mom. Come, me
Sorry.
sorry.
If you call the man, I'm going to take your phone from you. That is the reason why I take your phone from you. When your mama send a piece of money, you can call her. Where you know me needs from?
Right up the road. You meet her first time. You don't know her from nowhere.
You know you share how much?
No, I know, because I don't look at her, sir.
The man I look you, he put rest you.
No, look at her.
I can't beg him.
She look young, though.
You know him? So you a big stranger call. You that's only
miss
get
my
kidnapped.
mother.
That's only get put in a vehicle and gone. And next thing we are putting up bam TV so I don't miss you. When I phone the fault. Me tell you I don't have enough money. Me go buy banana and ketchup. If me get banana, I rub it with the ketchup and get to eat. If you ever sit, go, hold your ears. Listen to me. Make sure you don't have nothing to do with my niece.
No, father.
Cause you see them boy we are looking one way under heads. You think a station near can them go? A body bag me I put them in a.
It's a call, she beg me.
Because when you go to station and get locked up, you know, police when they let you know out, and you come back and do the same thing. I would have put in a body bag. You hear me say? Wait till I go.
Jesus Christ. What them do to you, my baby? They no give you nothing feel, look how you're skinny. You're near fat from morning and you look worse than how me left you, watch ya. I saw them wicked to you. So from me gone, your ear no comb. They tie up all your head. My baby, I never time for me come home yet. But me come back before time because then the things the way you call me and tell me say then they do to you out here. Me could never sleep in peace.
When call you until you say?
Nothing. I already know what we used to do to her. I want to still do to her, but it will stop today. Oi. Nobody with her. You can't go on now. She tired of you. As from today, no ban. Ban name Uncle Ban.
No,
Hold on. Niece life.
Hold on. As much as you never want you go nowhere, right? Without me. We take care of her the best, you know. Why we give her the cheerful word from morning? Ask her the good reason why.
From morning.
Yes!
What's your opinion them this? You get any?
No.
Okay. So if you did get a child or children then, you that would love to leave your child or children go overseas and come back and see a boy or girl. Or where you want to call his son or daughter and underneath them a condition, yeah? Cheer pan head. Cheer pan head.
My sister.
Wickedness, take on a chair.
No,
Now wicked.
no.
You know something if you call police man?
Now look at the other. Sneak out at night time.
Yes,
and
sir.
come back in early.
Oh, hello. Hello, I lie I tell. I lie I tell. Me no believe you. I lie you they tell. Lie you they tell. Me left tracking device in her phone. Me have camera. All anywhere she go. All over.
Where you always keep your phone when you come out here? In the house. And me I call it in the house. There. Look at that. You know, see you're wicked. You know, see you're wicked. At first, you used to punish. No, for real. No, me not go buy you. At first, we used to punish her. They would say, you know what? We sister send money, so we're done with that. So we try to be good.
Then can't make me just listen, me baby. Me know say I lie, cause guess what? 2. And my church sister them call me and tell me everything where they go on over here. So I know you alone tell me.
No, listen.
And the big in the market me here. One somebody I tell you that somebody uno they do no niece and our mama gone foreign left her. Give uno 2 wicked.
No.
I choose she and uno a family and uno can't get to beg her from. You know what?
You don't understand what I want with this one night. You don't understand, my sister. Alright. We make sure you eat breakfast. We make sure you eat lunch.
She don't name nothing. A people give her food. Me know every time.
Yeah, you know.
No. A people give her food.
I use Papa.
No. People give her food. Me get all of the phone calls.
No,
And when she eat the food
lie.
at the woman yard, human video it and send it come give me. You can't tell me nothing. Camera can't tell lie. Hello. Uno no give her nothing. All of the money them when me send come go uno.
No, we don't give her. No, we don't.
I want to go party me and say I be dance no the papa. You and Steve wicked. Okay, see what goes around? Come right back around.
No, listen.
Yeah?
We use some of my money party. But we buy food in the house. Right now, Steve cook curry chicken.
You use some of my money party.
Right now, Steve cook curry chicken for
She don't want none. She don't want none. Although me not stay the exact time when me did this stay, me still get 1 piece of money. Me I go treat you. Don't worry yourself. Anything we want to still I go give you. God not sleep. You know, a wicked set of family. Me afraid of you know. That's why I'm telling you every day and every night where God sends me prefer stranger more and family. The whole of you wicked and full of corruption.
Only if you better stranger with your blood.
Wicked. You know wicked.
We not teach you.
Wicked. You know wicked. You know wicked. Look on your knees. If I your knees.
You see me out at night time and come in the morning.
Lie! The blood of Jesus can say stupid tongue when your head when they tell lie on your own knees. You can imagine if she had this stranger way that do. Look here, me no want you nothing from you and Steve because the whole of no plan to tell lie on the little girl. You think you come back and kill me one of the sister uno?
This a girl here, me call people run you down for a road.
Then if you run you down.
That girl is wicked.
Why you think so then shouldn't run you down?
Eh?
The way all know they beat her and abuse her. And they starve her and make sure they fit
Me ever beat you?
All her clothes them when she have me, say you take it go give you one of your woman picking them. You see you? Papa is a wicked set of generation. I don't know where you come from.
The clothes is really you know, you know, see you have one like that.
One like it.
You see
wickedness step on you.
I never carry me come
Wickedness springs out on you. See sign in your forehead there.
The same girl wait up on the road and say, he clothes they have and look like a fake clothes.
You think me not hear about it? Or you did sick? When me left the next day, you're sick from the same night, a matter of fact, when you don't care cake on Guinea. So, when you make us drink the champagne, you know why Steve don't name none of the cake, and me say something when happen to it, and you never want me to go. And you name me and you end up in a hospital. Thank God me never eat it, because me not make my belly roll me. You should have shit ran out till the morning. Me don't know where they rush with you and take a hospital for me. If you make me come back and see you turn up, you say you're too wicked. But you swan to me pitney, and you never get
alright, let me confess.
You know why she end up stay with you? I told the woman when me did say she go stay with you now. She end up get one work. She couldn't bother stay with that woman.
Let me confess.
You want wicked.
Steve go buy the cake and put sitting like you have running belly whole time for miss a flight. But I kind of eat the wrong part of the cake and
wrong part.
I couldn't tap doodoo and me end up at hospital.
Shit. You couldn't stop shit. You should have shit from now till the morning. Mr. The woman will carry up and the man they will pick you up off the road and take you to the hospital. Me don't know they're sorry for you. Running belly for under your backside.
A champagne in the inject the same thing like so if you drink one and not eat the other one.
So that's why me say him did a video and sleep all the time and sitting. You know, wicked set of brother. You know, wicked subtle and full of corruption.
No, I'm sorry, sis. But
What you sorry about?
But everything
Who for the yard again? Can you look like me no member? Who for yard this?
through ancestors.
Through ancestors. Which one then there?
Then dead.
Long time down.
Uh-huh.
And a why bigger one in a out of sister and brother then?
You.
Okay, so what you do ya? Me come to take over, you need to leave. Because you see when me done fix up this, take off all of the board them and put black, me no want you and Stevie in here, una wicked and if a girl them when me hear so una care and I run out on the knees. Una wicked, ungo God go help you when time.
Look
When me
girl.
done, kneel down pan any knee and pray for you.
Wicked girl come here.
Eh? Me hear everything.
That's
Me
a what?
everything.
No.
Me hear everything what
That's
you
how me
do.
confess everything.
Eh?
Me
You
truthfully.
don't start yet. You're not done. You don't start the confession yet and like that. Because enough of way you not tell me already here.
Alright. We used to give her $500 a day, but after a while, I said to see some feel bad because our sister and our friend work hard. We give her 1,000, but she take your mind little schoolboy down the road.
Anyway, my daughter, you see that iPhone here? You go off the carry, go where you place them with them fix phone. The man them with fix phone.
No.
Them
Them enough here. Them phone enough here.
What?
Yeah, 100.
Me did I use it. Overseas number in there, one eSIM. So guess what? Me go give you money. You can't go down. Where you check what your answer for?
I'm gonna take up your suitcase.
Oi! Lefty. Nobody with it. Everything we in that affair. The barrel when me send out 2 days before me come, me now get it until maybe 3 weeks. Or 2 weeks and Sunday.
Something left with me?
Nothing. Everything went in there for stranger and me pick me. Because a stranger did help her when me never there here. You see this? Are yours. You give you money to unlock. Look on you and tell me if you like it. Look.
No, you don't like it. Samsung good.
No!
That's right. When I think that when time me come, she a got deal no week testing me and liar tell. Me not nothing to do with you no. Nothing at all. Not if you want to swap around underpan, me not care for you and steal. Underpan. Oh, you see my barrel? Underpan. Whole heap of things in there for man, but I no phone off a stranger.
One day.
Off a stranger then.
One day,
a stranger help her.
One day your mother go and know the full truth about you. You see you?
Yes.
You?
Don't worry yourself. I lie yourself. You can't do it. You can't do it. I lie yourself. So you see me a fool, so? You see all the way you do to me pitney? Papa, you train and know what in my head. You hear me I tell you? You know? I train and know you know. You see me just come, just let me calm down and easy. Because me in my church and me don't want you get me from my wrong side. Leave or lefty. Leave it alone.
So, me there all day with her, you know. You could have gone and find her, you could have come go see her one day, you know.
Everything went in there for you. Don't want me to make them feel them teeth. You can go get the woman picking them. You? It's a wicked.
The man go on board. Go on board.
Yeah. One think me they don't figure me picnic take on no.
I want job, that I mash up.
You want me say me do? Leave
that I mash up.
You now go mash up. The blood of Jesus against the tongue. Back to the sender, the piece of old broke phone we have. And you go mash up. This now mash up. The way your bad mind and corrupt you all want the little girl phone to mash up.
Because it's too big for her. You see that this camera could bang her.
Too big for her.
Yeah. You want to text boy upon that. You shouldn't give him that.
Look here, me now tell me picnic to go a man before time, but he better she text boy than girl. Because I don't want she switch. Go on.
And you see, me there take care in her end good.
Take care in her head and put cheer on her head. And
because she
raga.
did something last night. We say she come out last night and come in early. See me, a gym speech, she come like say, him gonna see me.
And don't call me daughter no him. She not him. Her or she?
She.
One is party they go.
You feel about sitting them panning shot.
Thank God. You know how much woman you there with and they left you through you can't breathe none of them? Go on. Don't worry yourself.
Make she hear that?
Yes, make she hear. Make she hear. She a grow up bigger now. So she can't hear some heap of dirty things going on do for earth. Yeah. Yeah. Last one. When the last time you are going to find it, as long as I want stranger finding, everything good. You and Steve are wicked, full of corruption. Come go on in with your suitcase, babe. Take time and hold it because he heavy. Hold it phone for you. You don't go up to Sunday give you. Take time lift you up. Yes, lift up it. Hush, you know so heavy. Most of the things them here in a barrel. You hear? Hold it. Alright. Outside. Come back in my yard. But me and Olivia. You see all the room I have around the so I not clean up. So when me done get work, man, and sort out this a place there. Let me see if you gone. Hold on now, wicked. And now no come back and me run with the whole of no.
Yeah, you reached the end. Thanks. Tell me how the show go. And I am planning now to launch out Popeye Fleming Studio. That movie will be shooting. The movie that will be shooting at that would be like where we fling. Yes, sir. The movie would be all over the place. And the movie would be different angle. Not one angle. How you see we have a camera, one angle. So you will see our foot, hand, everything. And it's gonna be only full movie on that channel. No series, just 1, 2. The highest to 4. 1 to 4. 1 to 4. No series on that channel, just full story. Full movie. Every detail that's said in the movie gonna be done. Anything you don't hear them mention in the movie, you see them go river, you see the river. If you hear them go eat lobster, you see the lobster. That's all I'm doing, that channel now. And even if we mention them go fly out, you know. Yeah. But remember, please share, like. We can't do too much talking because the head not so righty.